Trend pool. No, I think we're doing pretty well. I think everything's getting cleared out pretty well. Super confusing. I don't really know what I want to do next. I don't know if I want to build more trains or not, because this is getting quite busy already. Oh, there's 5 tracks here, but there's 4 trains that are always... I should probably expand this station. Not much room though, is there? Hmm. So we haven't built any planes or trucks or buses or boats yet. I mean, that's an option. We can do that. Oh, this is not a T-junction. This is just... It goes in one direction only. That's not very good, is it? Should I make it a T-junction? And how would I fit this back there if it was a T-junction? What I should do, I think, is make the exit a T-junction. So this entrance and this exit, and then we can put another station back there using this entrance and this exit. That will work. We just need to... we can't do that. But we can... do that. And if we... Well, I kind of want to bridge across back here. I don't want to bridge across back here. I want to... keep it up here so we don't go up and down all the time. Yes. Okay, and then we do that, and we do that. And then from here, we can probably just extend this out. Put that in place, and just put that there. And we can just come across here. Alright, that's good. So now that exit can go in both directions. This entrance, we can quite easily make this go in both directions too if we just do that. So you can go in this way. I can't see. Oops. I haven't been paying attention to these things. Transparency options, bridges. Okay, that's correct. Oops. Transparency options. I haven't been paying attention to these things. What is this? This is goods. And these two are iron ore trains. That's okay. I'm assuming this works because we already looked at that one before. That one just came back to station. Alright, so this works. Let's just keep an eye on these two goods trains. And then if this goes back to station correctly, then they're done there too. So the oil from the offshore oil platforms have to go to the oil refineries, and there are oil tankers to take it from the platform. But what I think I want to do is to move the oil. Okay, so these are fine. These are fine. Move the oil onto a train and then use the train to transport it to the oil refinery instead of using the ships. So we need to have like a transfer station if we want to do that. Look at all the spaghetti. This is crazy. This is nuts. Look at this. This is also super slow. So this potentially creates a traffic jam back here because they slow down to get up this hill. Although it's actually unnecessary. I can make this more efficient if I make this a tunnel. I can make this a tunnel to make it more efficient. Alright, so this gets back to the factory. So that works. Where's this going? Alright, back there. Goods. Where is... Oh, there's a farm and there's... Okay. Right, there's a farm and there's a sawmill. Okay, so everything works as far as I can tell. And this, I am super tempted to fix this. Alright, let's fix this. Okay, after this train, we're gonna fix this. In fact, let me demolish that. Demolish that and demolish these. Demolish this one, in fact. Lower that there, lower that there. Oops, don't really. Do I want? Yes, I do. I do want to lower that. So, if we make a tunnel there and do that instead. Don't do that. Do that instead. So now it doesn't. We don't climb up and then up the bridge and then down. We only go straight flat across and then up once. So this should actually make things more efficient here. So there's probably a whole lot of different things we can do in the train network to optimize and just kind of improve things slightly. I've been just building things once over for now, and I haven't really spent much time trying to make things more efficient. But there's little things like that, right? Instead of up and then onto the bridge and then down again, just kind of go underneath. And you'll see how that's much faster, right? But it's only one small part of the network, and the whole network's probably filled with this sort of stuff. where we can improve, make little marginal improvements here and there anyway. So the plan was, back here, we're gonna have a massive train station. Let me just flatten all that out like a maniac. Right, so we have iron ore and oil. And we leave. So the exit, we're gonna borrow this exit. Like that. And then the entry, we borrow this entry here. So instead of coming into the city, it also comes into the oil refinery. If I can get this. What? Oh, get this joined up there. We need that to probably turn around a little bit. And just come out this way a little bit. And then down, and there you go. And entry signal, exit signals. And then we have a depot there, and a depot there. And then exits on that side. And entry on that side. Alright. Good. So now we can start taking iron ore from here. Buy vehicles. Iron ore hopper. Go to there. Drop the iron ore here. This station is too small for much more of this. I think this is going to be the last iron ore to this particular one. Just because the station's not very big. Alright, so we're going to keep an eye on these two iron ore trains. Make sure they get to our destination. Right. Where to put the oil tankers? Probably makes sense to put them here. Let's go 4 tracks. There. And so we want to Is there a better way to do this? Um, it's good enough, I suppose. Alright, and then that bridges over and goes out there. So this bridges out and joins back to the network on that side. I'm not even going to try and make sense of that spaghetti. And on this side, we come in to this station. Crazy. Absolutely bonkers. I mean, I'm the one designing this, and I think this is crazy. Alright, so we got 4 trains coming in here. Let me just start with a new vehicle. Let me just put oil tanker. And we're going to go to here. And we're going to go to here. So it takes the oil to there. Great. And now here, I want to clone this too. Clone this train. And for the first time ever, I'm going to have ships. Where should I put the ship? Oh, this is not a bridge. Well, we can make this a bridge, can't we? Let me just blow something up here. That's not what I want to do. That's not what I... What? Oh, okay. Let me just lower this. Alright, and we're gonna put a bridge across there. So now this is gonna access that more easily. And then we're gonna put ships here. And we need a ship depot there. So now I got new ships, oil tanker, buy ship. Go to this refinery, oil field. And so we're gonna go full load and unload there. So we're gonna force these ships to unload the oil here, and then the trains are gonna take the oil to the oil refinery, right? That's the plan. Ships, you will notice, are super slow. It's like unbelievably slow. This is just gonna take a long time for the ship to get anywhere. And because the ships are so slow, we want to... Actually, we're just gonna clone this right away and send the second ship. We want enough ships so that there's always a ship at the oil field. So once the first ship is full and starts moving towards the station, we clone the next ship and make sure it gets on its way. Right? What? It just went out of business? Are you serious? Okay, well, it just went out of business, guys. Delete that. Go to there. No, go to there. Yeah, okay, it's stuck. Can I delete that? Go to there, oil field, full load, and then delete that order. Go to oil field, full load. The the oil field just went out of business while we were looking at it. I can't. This game.